beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every anger. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let you know the way that Gucci look on you amazing. But nothing can compare to when you naked. Now we're backward into many, got you faded. You're saying you the one for me, I need to face it. Started when we were younger, swear to God that I loved her. Sorry that your mom found out, guess that we just really had the thunder. Ain't nobody else that I be under. Beautiful, beautiful life right now. Beautiful, beautiful night right now. No, no, no.
Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to call me. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. No, it's hard, but we need each other. I move mountains on my own, don't need nobody, yo. Change your mind when I change my life, better start believing in myself. And we all now looking for God, so we never see it in ourselves. Shit divine and adventure and movie style. It's hard to tell what a prayer compare. You can find me dancing in between the raindrops, trying to find a way to make the pain stop. Overtime on the graveyard, got a nigga feeling grand. My instability's trademark, copywritten in all my decisions. This is not supposed to be a way of living. Turn my temple down into a prison. Spend my nights alone before I need to call you. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for.
I don't wanna be you. If I love you was a promise, would you break it if you?
It's like the only time I see your face is when mine is on my pillowcase. I don't ever wanna.
You know how we do it. West side, coming from the west side. Nothing but the west side.
She must have been out of her head. Here it is.
Don't stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. It'll get you up and going now.
So you say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane, I could be your escape. Take you to a place where there's no time, no.
Think you know what I mean to get by. Something for your mind, 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 mind. Something for your mind.
I don't want your body, but I hate to think about you with somebody else.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
I feel like Ricky Tiki Tavi, we mobbing through the lobby. That faggot tried to rob me, no whole like D-Lo bitch. I feel like Ricky Tiki Tavi, I think the copper saw me, but I ain't chain link hop.
I'm so fucking sick of getting ready to do TikTok just for them to get 3 fucking likes and 15 views. Y'all bitches better stop playing and make me famous. The fuck?
got pretty like a girl. Then he got 5 stores to tell. See both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel. Swimming laps through cool water. Eating like I'm underwater. Had my tattoos in Shibuya. Police think I'm ugly.
I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see. You're a bad thing. I know I fucked up, I'm just a loser. Shouldn't be with ya. Guess I'm a quitter while you're out there drinking. I'm just a thinking about whatever. That's why I stay here, and there's no remedy for memory. Your face is like a melody, it won't leave my head. Your soul is haunting me and telling me that everything is fine, but I wish I was dead. Every time I close my eyes,
Under pressure, nightmare pack, I'm smoking pressure. I'm a bad getter. If it's fuck me, then fuck you, it's for the better. In the basement.
I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm these lonely nights. I love you, baby. Trust. Think you know what I mean to get by.
Something for your mind, mind, mind. Something for your mind.
You can leave it all to me. Don't want you worried about a thing. I know you do the same for me. 'Cause you're so lovely, you're so lovely. I can't help but fall for you, love. When you love me, it's so lovely loving you. Oh, oh, so lovely loving you. Oh, oh. So softly a tender breeze brush against my knees on a summer afternoon. I get to thinking about the hazy days under August shade that I used to spend with you. I didn't realize it was all I wanted. What I had, my riddled heart, I had to cradle back together just to see. It's all like magic.
My 360-degree reality.